Okay, here we are at my ATV and my Snow Plow Blade. So what I've done is, I've been doing this for probably 4 years now. I got the same 1.5 inch ABS pipe. I'll show you what I did. I took a saw, a circular saw. It was kind of dangerous, but maybe you can figure out a different way. And I cut a slice down this ABS pipe so that it fits over the end of my edge on my my plow blade. And the nuts, there's nuts that hold that steel edge on. This plastic will go around them, and up here it goes up above the rounded head bolts, bolt heads I mean. So I'm just pounding it on now, getting it on there. I'm just tapping it on lightly. Now this is the first time it's ever happened to me, is it cracked here. And it's because it's cold outside. It's like -10 out here. So maybe I should have took it in the house and let it warm up before I did this. Actually, that's probably what I should have did. But so I'm just tapping it on like this, because I can't push it on. So I'm just tapping it lightly until it's all the way across the edge of my blade. So what this is going to do is it's going to act like skid shoes. If you don't have skid shoes, these are your skid shoes. One goes on each end of the blade. So if you don't have them, you could do this. But this is great for if you got to plow on gravel. It's also great if you're going to be plowing on the lawn. And that's what I'm going to be doing over there at that firewood shed. I'm going to move some snow. So I've already busted through here with the ATV and the plow blade. Had a bunch of hard, crusty snow. We recently had a bunch of wet snow. It rained on top of a pile of snow. Moving it was hell, but look at that, it's hard as a rock. But I got through there with the plow blade and the ATV. I want to make a trail around here. I'm going to go up around here. And you can see I got my wagon over here. I put my firewood on it. So I'm going to put my trail along here. And then we're going to come right back out across here and up there, just making a circle. But what the ABS pipe is going to allow me to do is plow this without scraping into the ground and getting, you know, you get stuck. You're going to be pushing snow and you're going to get stuck, but it's going to ride on top of the snow, and I'll be able to make a trail. Because this snow here is probably about 8 inches deep, so, and it's hard, crusty stuff kind of thing. Not hard, but it's hard on top and soft underneath, so you'll get stuck easy. So you're going to want to watch this. So I'm going to finish pounding this on, and then I'm going to show you how I move snow, because underneath that snow over by my firewood shelter is grass, and I don't want to tear up my grass. I don't want my skid shoes digging in on each end, because they will. So I put this on, it just rides on top of the snow, and I can clear enough snow that I can ride my ATV in there and not get stuck. Because I got to get that firewood out of there. I got to get firewood around to the back of my house. So there we go. We got the ABS pipe from one end to the other. I don't know how long this will last today, if it's going to break off quick, but whatever. I'll size up another piece of ABS pipe, put a slice down it, and I'll be able to do this again next time I need to do this. There you go. That's how it looks when it's sitting. And you can see that you can see the edge is not going to be digging in. It's just going to ride on top of that ABS. And it works. Like I said, I've done it several times. hard consistency. It's not working like I was hoping it would, but it's all right. I mean, it's going to be okay. I'm going to try and clear all this out. Well, not all of it, but most of it. But if I had softer snow, this would really work good. Working out really good here in front of the woodshed, so I'm happy with that. Now I just got to make a path going this way, finish my circle, and go out that way. So I got my circle driveway all done. You can see it's going to work out great. No grass got tore up. It actually started working really good over here. I just ran over it a couple times, and it started digging down better. We'll take a quick look at the ABS pipe here. It's in good shape. It's all intact. Feel underneath, yep, no cracks, just the crack here when I was putting it on because the pipe was cold. But see what I mean? It worked out great. So what I'm going to do, if you want to see how I sliced it down here with the saw, cut it, put it on and all that, I do have a video and another video. I got two videos that I can link to. I'll put them down below in the description of this video and you can see exactly what I did. Hey, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, because it really helps my videos grow when you do that. And I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.